Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. September is going to be Boxy Luxe, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. It's my birth month and it's Boxy Luxe and it better be good. That's all I have to say. It comes down to my opinion. It better be good. But anyway, the theme this month for Boxycharm was totally Boxycharm. The first thing in my box that I saw was the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is, I've used it and I kind of like it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to test it with a few different foundations and a few different things. It's pink and like shimmery when it comes out. And then you, obviously it's a face oil, you put it on your skin. I will say this absorbs very quickly into the skin, which I do like, and it doesn't feel greasy, which I feel like a lot of oils can feel greasy, and when I have oily skin and it's hot in Arkansas, I don't want to feel that way. So I will say I think this is a good summer oil, and you can put it under foundation. I just don't think that it's going to mix well with most of my foundations or make my makeup stay on any longer, but I do think that it would give a nice pretty glow from within your skin. And this retails for $42. The next thing in my box, I think everybody got this. This was the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and I was excited to get this. I've seen this in Ulta and Sephora, and it's not something that I personally was ever going to buy because a hydrating powder just doesn't sound good to me, you know what I'm saying? And the net, I don't like powders with a net. Sorry to any brand that does this. If I already have it, I will use it, but I don't love powders with a net. So if you have it, then that's a big drawback for me. It makes it harder for me to get the product out. But anyway, this retails for $39. I have not tried it yet, but I'm excited to try it. I've heard that it's really different. It kind of feels wet when you put it on. So we'll see. I'll have to test it out. The next thing I got was the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. The brush on the side of this is like that hourglass shape, kind of like the Too Faced mascara or the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I'm excited to try this. I'm not going to open it up until I need a new mascara, because then I get too many mascaras that are open and then they all dry out. And then I'm left without mascara and I have to go buy it when I shouldn't have opened one of the ones that I had. Side note. Anyway, this mascara retails for $23. The next thing I got is are these Ace Beaute eyeshadows, and they are very, very similar to the ColourPop shadows. You can watch other videos where people talk about it. That's what I've done. They are soft to the touch like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and they are very vibrant like those shadows. Neither of these shades are personally for me. If I had gotten a gold or a champagne, you know, that's right up my alley. But a silver and like a raspberry are not. Just not for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in a giveaway, and if you want to find out how to enter that giveaway, stay tuned to the end of the video and I will tell you all about it. And those retail for the duo together retail for $25, which is also more expensive than ColourPop. Just a side note. Sipping my tea over here. And then the last thing I got in my box were these two sheet masks. These are from Wander, but it's a different Wander than this. These are antioxidant face masks. I love a good sheet mask. Kind of wish there was more than two, but I am glad that there is more than one to use. This set of two would retail for $9. So, I mean, it's a sheet mask. Everybody loves a good sheet mask. I just have to remember to use them. So, anyway, the value of this month's box is, the value of my box is $138. That is not as much as some of the other boxes that I've seen. Not as much of a value as some of the other boxes that I've seen, but it's still good. It's over $100. I like most of the products in here and I will try them out. So yeah, I think I got variation number 11. I have this giveaway posted on my Instagram and on my Facebook. So if you want to check it out there as well, those are extra entries that you can do. I will link those below, but I'll put up a picture so you can see everything that's in it. And as I list off everything, hopefully I'll be able to put up a picture. It is the PYT Travel Straightener in the shade Lavender, a Dillard's Liquid Lip Set, the Ace Beaute Eyeshadow Duo, which are these two that I just talked about in this video, Crown Brush Duo, so 2 crown brushes, a Luxie Brush Trio, so 3 of those, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, the Wonder Beauty Blush and Highlight palette, a jonteblu brown eyeliner, a liquid lipstick, a trestique prime and color lip glaze, a Sephora lip gloss, and a Sephora card holder. And yeah, so it's a decent size giveaway. The value of everything in the giveaway is $275 if you're interested in that. If you want to enter the giveaway, I will have all the different ways that you can enter down below. There are several, but if you want this extra entry on YouTube, be sure to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment down below telling me what you're most excited for in this giveaway. The giveaway ends on the 31st of August this year, so 2019. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Like this video and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye guys.